left, and right, and left, and right. Yeah. So the next step is going to be a bit hard, but it's fine. So you just kick, go this way, down, and then down. Yeah, that's it. Kick this way, down, and then down. So when you go down and you come up, you pause for 1 second and then you start doing this, this, and then that. So basically, you go on your, you go a bit down, like that, and then you come up, and then you stay at the same place. So this, this, and bam, bam, bam. This, and bam, bam, bam. Yeah. So when you bend down, you just move your leg at the same time with your hands, and then you come up, but you do the same thing. So down, down, and up, 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 down, down, and up, up, up. Yeah. So in the song, we're gonna do this move twice, and when we're done, you just put your leg out, in, and out. At the same time, you use your hands. So out, in, out. Yeah. Now we're going to start with the music, so get ready. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Left, right, left, on your waist, right, kick, trip over, down, pose, down, down, up, engage, left, right, left, right, kick, down, up, down, rakata. So after this move, you just lift your feet and then your shoulders in like this, and then you walk this way, this, bam, 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 bam. You do the same thing there and there. Bam, this, and this. Yeah. So as you lift your feet, you just do the same thing with your shoulder. So this, trying to put attitude and energy. So bam, walk, walk. This, walk, walk. Bam, walk, walk. Attitude, walk, walk, and energy. Yeah. So after this move, you clap and then you tiptoe and then you go down. So clap, tiptoe, and at the same time you turn around and then clap, tiptoe, clap, tiptoe, clap, tiptoe, and then clap. So you can see my leg is doing tiptoe and then tiptoe, going down, tiptoe, down.
Move your body like you do, mama. Shake that body like you should. Move your body like you do, mama. Shake that body like you should. Move your body like you do. Shake that body like you should. Move your body like you do.